Hello, this is Stephen Fry. On behalf of Friends of Residential Treasures Los Angeles, and as a great admirer of Frank Lloyd Wright's masterpiece that crowns East Hollywood's Barnstable Art Park, I am more than pleased to present the 3 highest-rated poems from Fort's Hollyhock Haiku project. Third place is by Brendan Ravenhill. Olive groves climbing to a Mayan monolith, sacred sunset mount. Second place is by Angela Givant. Radical temple, oil money alchemized on Old Olive Hill. And the review panel gave the highest scores to Michelle Myers with this wonderful haiku. Right angles, left beams, Aztec low-tech design house, romancer the stone. You can read all the submissions at fortla.org. Thank you to everyone who participated.